Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is SQ 1 to 10, all are from competency based from chapter 4, lecture number 8, and there is no HW, my dear students. Students, last YouTube class we have finished competency based few question answer and I selected to you, and today also we will do more short question answer competency based, but all are I collected from the previous PEC exam. So whatever I am providing to you today, short question answer 1 to 10, all are came to the previous PEC exam. So this type of question you will get in PEC exam. So first question is, from which place of the mouth will you pronounce the letters of labials? Answer, I will pronounce the letters of labials from the two lips coming together. Students, this is the makhraj. From the makhraj this question came, makhraj number maybe 15, this labial letters about there is the discussion. Now question number 2, where has Allah described all welfare of mankind? Answer, Allah has described all welfare of mankind in the glorious Quran. It's very easy answer. Number 3, what is the meaning of fil in Surah Al-Fil? Answer, the meaning of fil in Surah Al-Fil is the elephant. My beloved students, in your book there are 5 surahs: Surah Fil, Quraish, Maun, Kausar and Kafirun. But all of the surahs names meaning are there. I mean not in the book, but already I told you according to the short syllabus which 3 surah we are reading. For example, Surah Fil, Fil means elephant, and then Surah Kausar, Kausar means the abundance of fountain, and then Surah Kafirun, Kafirun means the disbelievers. So you have to remember this, which surah's meaning are what. Now question number 4, so pray to your Lord and perform kurbani, I mean sacrifice for him. In which surah do you get this meaning? Answer, from Surah Al-Kawthar, ayat number 2, we get this meaning. Student, this is also one kind of another unique questions. I already told you, you have to memorize all of the surahs, I mean whatever is in your book, and meaning also. So here given the meaning, Surah Kawthar, meaning of Surah Kawthar, ayat number 2. So this type of meaning also will come. For example, here will give, thus he made them like eaten straw. Which surah this ayat came here? So this is the ayat number 5 of Surah Al-Fil. So like that you have to memorize all of this surah and meaning also. Now question number 5, write the 5th verse, I mean ayat of Surah Al-Fil in English. Answer, the 5th verse of Surah Al-Fil in English is فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْفٍ مَأْكُولٍ. Here came Surah Al-Fil ayat number 5. So the question can come, write the 3rd number ayat of Surah Al-Fil, or write the 4th number ayat of Surah Al-Kafirun, but you have to memorize this surah. Now question number 6, which 2 letters do you pronounce with the help of nose? Answer, the 2 letters I pronounce with the help of nose are mim and nun. This question number 6 also related to the makhraj. And now 7, which book do you follow to solve the problem of daily life? Answer, I follow the glorious Quran to solve the problem of daily life. Answer, question number 8, what will you do to know Allah's laws and rules correctly? Answer, I will recite the glorious Quran to know Allah's laws and rules correctly. Students, if you follow the glorious Quran, you can get the all kinds of solve of the problems in your daily life. If you recite the Holy Quran, you will get the information about Allah's laws and rules, regulations, or which path should we follow and which path should we remove. So, recite the Holy Quran with the meaning. Question number 9. Write the name of 2 surahs from your textbook. Answer, the name of 2 surahs from my textbook are Surah Al-Fil, Surah Al-Kawthar. My beloved students, they are given the question, write any 2 surahs name what is in your textbook. But in your textbook there are 5 surahs name. So you can write as your wish. I written here Surah Al-Fil and Surah Kawthar. You can write Surah Fil and Quraish, Surah Fil and Kafirun, or Surah Fil or Maun as your wish. But you have to write according to your textbook. Out of textbook you cannot write. Now, question number 10, last question. Write an aim in the recitation of the Quran Majid. Answer, an aim in the recitation of the Quran Majid is to recite correctly. My beloved students, you know there are 4 aims for reciting the Holy Quran. So among there, only 1 aim you have to write here. So there are 4 aim, you can write any 1 aim, no problem at all. That's all for today, my dear students. There is no HW today. Keep practicing at home to abide by your parents, perform the 5 times prayer. See you next class inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.